Ever find it difficult to find particular programs or items on your computer and find yourself wasting a lot of time searching your C drive and so forth? You can use the quick search box next to the Start button on your computer to search for anything. For example, I'll type Excel. You can see it's found the desktop app, some recent documents I've used, and it has various other suggestions. I'll try something else. This time it's found a document, a photograph, and there's various suggestions from the internet. Hopefully this will help you save time in future. Bye for now. And that's why you need Quasar, improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.